Yo, Vince.
Teasing.
Bro, how's it going, man?
Not bad.
Hey, how you been?
Not bad. How have you been?
You know what? New Year, surviving.
Surviving?
So far, so good.
But teasing.
Let
me ask you. Do you know where the gin and tonic came from?
Gin and Tonic came from?
Yeah. Do you know where it came from?
Like, who made it?
Yeah. Teasing. Yo, where'd it come from?
Some scientist? Some lab?
Wait,
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
I don't know.
No, dude.
What?
It actually came from the motherland of India.
Huh?
Yeah, it actually came from it. All right, you remember like a little bit of history. You know how the British colonized India?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Anyway, so in 1857, they colonized India.
Okay.
And the British, they're not the strongest with their immune system, so they contracted a disease called malaria.
Oh, okay.
But you know what, like us Indians, we have this thing called Indian tonic water. And I don't know, have you ever had that? It's bitter, it's nasty.
Bitter as hell.
It's very bitter. But you know what the British did? They're pretty ingenious and they combined it with gin.
To fight off malaria?
Yeah, to fight off malaria.
Well, they created a cocktail.
They created a cocktail called the Gin and Tonic.
What?
Dude, we helped create the Gin and Tonic. The drink that everybody loves.
What?
I know.
What? Oh, wait, stop. It's 5 o'clock.
Oh, fuck, it's 5 o'clock.
Look. Oh, hey guys, I'm Teasing.
And I'm Vince.
It's 5 o'clock. You know what that means.
It's time to drink.
Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so we're back and we're finally in 2021.
Finally.
Oh, I've been waiting for this. But guys, I mean, Vince,
Yes.
2021 good?
You know, I think it's pretty good. So far, so good.
It's questionable
Questionable.
here and there.
Yeah. But you know what?
But you know what? We're gonna make this the best year possible.
And how are we going to start it off?
Well, we're actually gonna be creating
Yes.
3 unique gin and tonics.
That's right. The first one we're going to make is the classic gin
The
and
one
tonic.
that you can make in what, 30 seconds?
Let's say 20 seconds.
Okay,
20
seconds.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna be making the BBerry GT.
Yes. And then finally, we're going to make the 5 o'clock GT.
AKA the 50 GT.
Yes. But, Teasing, do you know how the gin and tonic tastes amazing? Or why it tastes amazing?
Because there's alcohol.
Yes. But actually, the gin and the quinine of the tonic water actually combine together to create this sort of amazing flavor profile. Now, this flavor profile really fights for control within the taste receptors of your tongue. Now, with the added sugar of the tonic water plus the lime juice, it creates an amazing flavor profile. Teasing, what do you think?
Yeah,
Yeah?
cool. Yeah. Can we get started?
Yeah, let's get started.
All right.
All right, guys, now let's begin. As we said at the top of the episode, you know what? The simple gin and tonic, 20-second drink, easy to make. All you need are 2 ounces of gin, tonic water, lime, and ice. That easy, that simple. Let's begin, shall we? Let's grab our single serving glass. Grab some lime. Squeeze that right in there. You really want to get all the juices in there. The lime makes the drink perfect. Now let's grab our ice cube, plop that in there. Next step, I'm gonna grab our jigger, 2 ounces of gin. Like that, and pour that right in there. Excellent. Last but not least, top it off with some tonic water. Would you look at that? Let's grab our lime wedge, plop that right in there. And guys, that was a 20-second gin and tonic.
Alrighty guys, that was pretty good. That was a classic gin and tonic. 20 seconds, super easy to make. But let me show you a more complex way of making it. And for this, I'm gonna show you how to make the BBerry GT, also known as the Blackberry Gin and Tonic. Now for this, you're gonna need 2 ounces of gin, you're gonna need some blackberries, some lime, and tonic water. That's it. Let me show you how you make it. So for this, you're gonna need a shaker, and you're gonna put in about 3 to 4 blackberries, like these, and take a muddler, and you're just gonna muddle it all in, just so you can get all the juices and all the flavor out. Perfect. And now you're gonna take some ice, pop that right in there. Now, after you have your ice in, you're gonna take 2 ounces of gin, just like that. Perfect. Pour that right in there. And you're gonna squeeze in half a lime, just like so. Trust me, it's worth it. Toss that out. And then you're gonna pop in the top of your shaker and give it a good shake. Excellent. Once you have that set, you're gonna take your glass, single serving glass, and all you're gonna do is just pour that right in there. And then to top it off, you're gonna take some tonic water and pour it all the way to the top. Just like so. And to garnish, just take some lime wedges, put that right in there along with 1 or 2 blackberries. And guys, there you have it, the BBerry GT. All right, guys, so those are some
Amazing.
pretty good drinks, you know.
Classic
You
gin
got
and
the
tonic.
classic, yeah, the classic gin and tonic.
Yes.
20 seconds,
Easy to make for your friends.
easy to make. The second, the complex gin and tonic.
Blueberry makes it a whole lot better.
Oh my gosh, I don't know why, but it just brings out another level of taste.
Does. Yes.
But guys, so for the third version, we're gonna show you how we like to make it the 5 o'clock way,
5 o'clock way.
AKA the 50 GT.
Ooh, that sounds interesting.
It is. Now how we make it, we need 1.5 ounces of gin,
Need some grenadine.
need some limes,
Need some tonic water.
and finally, some ginger beer.
Ginger beer.
Ginger beer.
Holy shit.
I don't think you've had this before.
No.
All right,
Curious.
guys, let me show you how we make it. All right, so now, super simple to make actually. Just gonna take a glass, like so. You're gonna put in 1.5 ounces of gin. Pour that right in there. Excellent. And take some grenadine. We're gonna put a couple drops in there. Just like that. Super simple, guys. We're gonna take some lime, squeeze it in there. Perfect. And take about 2 to 3 ounces of tonic water. Pour it right in. Excellent. Pop in some ice. And to top it off, you're gonna take some ginger beer. Pop it right in. Oh my God. That's good. Just pop it right in there. And as garnish, I'm gonna take a lime wedge, plop it in, and guys, so simple. That right there is the 50 GT. Well, there you go, guys. That is 3 unique variations of the gin and tonic.
We have the classic gin and tonic,
We got the BBerry Gin and Tonic.
and we have the 50 gin and tonic.
I'm not gonna lie, these two are about 100 times better than the regular gin and tonic.
I agree with you, Teasen. You know what?
You gotta try it out.
Flavor, complexity. You know what? This is a good drink. Don't get us wrong.
I
With
mean,
these
if you
two-
go out,
Yeah.
I would see me drinking that.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
good.
and I mean at home, like if that's what people
And
like.
you don't have
I mean,
time
you know.
to make it a quick drink, 20-second drink. Yeah, why not?
To be honest, this is also a pretty quick 30-second
pretty-
drink.
yeah.
All you do is you're adding a new thing, which is the ginger beer.
Exactly.
That's it.
Oh, and the Grenadine as well.
Oh, and the Grenadine.
Yes.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. This is
That's your favorite one?
my favorite. Yes.
You know, that's
I don't know what it
summer
is.
drink.
It's somewhat a summer
Yeah.
drink, but I don't know what it is. I think it's the ginger beer.
You think so?
It just creates a more crisp flavor. Like it's just really refreshing.
It is refreshing. The ginger beer creates that snap, that feeling. But Teasen, you know what? Not gonna lie, I like the BBerry Gin and Tonic.
The BBerry. Oh.
You know what? The Blackberries, oh my God, it's so good.
It
And
changes the taste.
who would have known that Blackberries would have made such a big difference?
Who would have thought that blackberries would actually mix in well with lime too?
I wouldn't have known that. And you know what? It's amazing. You know what? It takes a little bit longer to make. It takes a little
It's
bit more
worth
effort.
it. It's worth it.
100% worth it.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
Like
This is
I
why
would take this over that any day.
Oh, 100%.
And this
It's
over
not a
all
bad-
of that any day.
It's not a bad drink.
It isn't. It isn't.
These are better. If you had a classic gin and tonic, trust us.
You gotta
These are
try
better.
any of these. Like it's 100 times better. Well, guys, there's 3 different ways of making the gin and tonic. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to smack that like button.
And if you guys want to be notified for future content, don't forget to hit subscribe.
And until next time, guys, I'm Teasen.
And I'm Vince.
It's 5 o'clock, and we're out.
See you guys.
Cheers.